Bitcoin is knocking on the door of $120,000. And this isn't just another bull run fueled by hype. This time, it's different. Institutional money is flowing in like never before. Why now? Who's buying? And what does it mean for you, the everyday investor? Bitcoin is currently trading between $117,985 and $119,750, inching closer to that symbolic 120K mark. This marks a strong recovery from the recent dips and pushes BTC toward a new all-time high. Short-term support, 117K resistance zone, 120K, 123K, current momentum bullish with increased volume. BlackRock's ETF, IBIT, saw billions in inflows, to Fidelity's FBTC hitting new volume records. MicroStrategy now holds over 240,000 BTC. Canifio Fitzgerald rumored to back a $4 billion BTC SPAC deal. These are not retail investors. These are financial giants with long-term strategies. The crypto market is officially maturing. In the US, a cluster of pro-crypto legislation, dubbed Crypto Week, is being discussed in Congress. Lenius Act regulates stablecoins. Financial Innovation Act provides digital asset clarity. Anti-CBDC bill addresses central bank control concerns. These bills are bringing the kind of regulatory clarity institutions need to feel confident. Institutions aren't just speculating, they're looking for store of value in a devaluing fiat environment against inflation and geopolitical risk, diversification into digital native assets, retail traction. Bitcoin is now mainstream, and Bitcoin is winning that narrative. Exchange outflows hit a 6-month high, long-term holders increasing stake, UAXO bands show healthy consolidation. Smart money isn't selling, it's accumulating. RSI, not yet overbought. ACD positive crossover. Bollinger Bands widening, suggesting volatility. Key breakout zone, $120,000. If it clears, 130K is next. Profit taking near ALTH. Interest rate volatility could hurt risk assets. ETF enthusiasm cooling post-hype.
Regulatory curveballs if bills get watered down. Always manage risk. Never go all in. 1. Long-term investor? Consider a small DCA entries. 2. Short-term trader? Wait for a clean break or pullback. 3. Not new to crypto? Educate before you invest. The train hasn't left the station, but the engine is running. Bitcoin isn't just a digital currency anymore. It's a global asset class, and institutions are treating it that way. Whether you're watching from the sidelines or already in the game, what's happening now is historic. To understand the power shift happening today, we need to look back. Remember when Wall Street mocked Bitcoin? But fast forward to now, BlackRock, JP Morgan, Fidelity, all singing a different tune. The same institutions that resisted crypto are now driving it toward mass adoption. Bitcoin's journey from cypherpunk dream to Wall Street darling is one of the greatest financial pivots in modern history. Bitcoin is more than just a store of value or a speculative asset. It's becoming real-world infrastructure. El Salvador using BTC as legal tender. Strike and Cash App facilitating instant global remittances. BTC as a financial lifeline in inflation-ridden economies like Argentina and Nigeria. And as Bitcoin scales through Layer 2 solutions like Lightning Network, we're entering a world where BTC becomes as usable as fiat, if not more. Europe, MiCA regulation favorable. Japan and Korea, heavy institutional interest. India, strict taxes but growing adoption. UAE becoming a crypto hub. US still fragmented but progress with new bills. There's one factor often overlooked: Bitcoin's fixed supply. Only 21 million will ever exist, and over 90% is already mined. Lost BTC, around the 3 to 4 million gone forever. Institutional holdings, around the 10 to 12% of supply. Retail wallets rapidly shrinking available supply. This could lead to a supply shock as demand continues climbing. What's happening in the broader economy also plays a role. Interest rates potentially falling in Q3, Q4. Inflation remains sticky, Bitcoin seen as hedge. Global de-dollarization is driving demand for alternatives. When traditional assets falter, Bitcoin gains appeal. I want to hear from you. Where do you see Bitcoin by the end of the year? Drop your prediction in the comments. 130K to 150K. 150K to 200K. Crash incoming? Community wisdom is real. Let's build it together. Bitcoin isn't moving in isolation. Here's who's tagging along. Ethereum, ETH, riding on Bitcoin's momentum. ETF approval rumors. Solana, SOL, gaining traction as DeFi picks up. Bitcoin miners like Marathon, Riot are up 20 to 30%. Crypto equities, Coinbase, MicroStrategy, outperforming NASDAQ. Want to know how I'm playing this market? Here's my breakdown. 50% long-term HODL, 30% tactical swing positions, 10% short-term day trades, 10% cash for dips. This is not financial advice, just what's working for me right now. Bitcoin nearing $120,000 isn't just a number, it's a signal that the financial world is changing fast. This is the Internet of money. It's borderless, trustless, and unstoppable, and you are part of it. Welcome to the future. Bitcoin nearing $120,000 isn't just a number, it's a signal that the financial world is changing fast. This is the Internet of money. It's borderless, trustless, and unstoppable, and you are part of it. Welcome to the future. If you stayed through this deep dive, you're serious about crypto. Here's what to do next. Like this video, subscribe and hit the bell. Share this with one crypto-curious friend. I'll see you in the next one. Stay informed, stay bullish.